This video is about how to set up and pack down the Peak XXL rooftop tent. Start by loosening the 3 straps. Lift the side of the rooftop tent. Pull out the ladder and place it into the bracket at the base. Raise the floor by pulling the ladder downward. Inside the tent, locate the support poles. There are 2 slightly longer poles for the large opening and 4 shorter poles for the gable ends. Attach the poles to the base and into the rings in the awning on both sides. Install the shorter poles in the openings at the gable ends. If snow is expected, mount the snow support bar in the roof. The tent is now fully set up. Next, we'll show you how to pack it down again. Remove the snow support bar and all poles. Place the poles in their designated bags and store them inside. Lift the floor using the sliding ladder. Then fold the ladder and place it inside. Pull the shell down into position. Tuck the tent fabric neatly inside the shell. Tighten the 3 straps firmly.